Welcome to our channel, My Simple Recipes. Today, I am sharing a secret tea recipe. I better call this an extreme fat burner tea. It's not only good for losing weight, but also improves your digestion and overall immune system. If you have tried everything in your life for weight loss and nothing has worked, then just for once, try this tea. Even after the very first use, you will notice great change. You will feel fresh, feel charged, and light at the same time. Plus, your food that you eat will digest very quickly. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of these great remedies. So, to prepare this tea, take a pan and add 2 cups of water. Next, add 1 pinch of grated ginger. Yes, you heard right, just a pinch is enough. Next, add half a teaspoon of pumpkin seeds powder. You can easily get this powder online or at any grocery store. Lastly, we need to add only 2 or 3 drops of lemon juice, not more than that. Now, heat this for a couple of minutes until it starts to boil. When it starts boiling, simply pour it off into a teacup. If you are a newbie and taste conscious, then you might not love the taste, but believe me, the results are worth it. Oh, well, yeah, you can obviously add some honey to make the taste better, but remember to use pure honey only. But yeah, you can drink this without honey as well. As for me, the taste is good, and I am also addicted to drinking this daily because it helps me maintain my fitness. The only thing you need to skip from your diet is oil and sugar. Take this tea in the morning with your breakfast and at nighttime with or after your dinner. With a no sugar and oil diet, believe me, you would start noticing the difference after 1 week. This tea is an extreme fat burner, would help you lose weight very quickly, and if you do exercise with it, then it's a big plus because you lose a lot of weight in a few weeks. But as I said, exercise is just a plus. If you can't do that, then just keep drinking this every day and stick to it for months. And with time, you will start getting back into shape and everyone will be asking you about it. Weight loss journey just needs to be your consistent routine. Once you set your routine by this, you will definitely become slim, believe me. Weight loss is very easy when you know how to manage your routine. So start drinking this effective weight loss tea and remember me in your prayers. If you like this video, click thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye!